That intake? Yeah. Okay, bet. Look out, look out. Trying to see something. Go get mine. Go on, girl. Alright, y'all. Here go OG Larry, y'all. So y'all can see who was talking all that noise a while ago and what they car look like. There go OG Larry.
Once again, you got about 15 minutes on the
concession stand
and alcohol. And we're also going to put about a 15-minute call on the staging lane.
Uh-oh.
You're going to make another run, bring them up to the lane. You got about 15 minutes.
You got about 15 minutes. Yeah, this OG Larry car right here. Got some juice on that thing. Boy, it look like he yanked that shifter down. They better have a lot of bolts in there. Okay. Now Pig already done got scared. The way you turn me on. Okay. Got my boy Chris.
I've been looking for it.
What you want to do with this right here, Larry?
Nah.
Give him something, man. Give him something.
I'm gonna give him something.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Larry, give him back time to hit, man. I'm betting with him. Nah, I won't give him the back time to hit, man. What about this Tesla right here?
What would you say? Why know? I was one talking that shit.
Yeah.
Don't nobody want no smoke.
Yeah. Somebody gonna try you.
I'm ready for it.
Somebody gonna try you. The way you made me feel. I'm gonna have to come up with a new soundtrack for them. What y'all like this Tesla right here? This is my boy right here. EV Smooth. Let me see, what you know? Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, he already in. I'm about to go get my car, y'all. We're gonna miss a couple of these cars. Yeah, we're gonna miss a couple of these cars. Hey, no, girl. Hey. Damn. Huh? Yeah, I got a channel, Lookout Race.
Oh, man, I watch you all the time.
You already on there? I already appreciate it, man.
I'll go with that tonight.
Not this one. It's gonna be the next day. I gotta give it 24 hours. What's up with it, miss?
What's up with it?
Man.
What?
Talking about you ain't know my. Y'all need to post. Look, miss. You need to put the Lookout right here. I'm tired of y'all talking about y'all don't know something. It's called the Lookout. Say, man, let me get a hot chocolate, man, with 2 chocolates in it.
You got 1 chocolate right here.
Oh, she chocolate?
Yeah.
Hey, chocolate. She called.
Well, you can heat up.
No, I don't.
Well,
I
yeah.
don't want to heat.
Okay.
My microwave broke.
Oh, I feel you.
My microwave. I ain't got that much more time. I gotta get this hot chocolate, make a full pass, and then I'm going to the house. Now I might go to Yello Belly. There, Yello Belly.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go to Yello Belly.
You making the power, you better not go.
Yeah, I'm making a little power,
You
man.
better leave it alone.
Cosworth 82. Appreciate the follow, man. No, they said good Yello Belly good, man. Hey, y'all go and hit that follow button. Don't be allergic. Don't be allergic to it. Let me see
You
who
ain't
got.
getting in the
No, still slow motion boogie with the Mustang. About to get this old hot chocolate, double dose. Double shot of this hot chocolate, then jump in this caprice. Yeah, jump in this caprice. What happened?
cheeseburger and a hot chocolate.
Yeah, double shot. Hot chocolate. Hey, about to get this double shot of hot chocolate real quick, man.
That's some real coffee.
Yeah. Who was that making the pay? There you go, man. That burger be good? Oh, you don't be eating all the onions and stuff? Sub count. What's a sub count? Yeah, that is a good thing. Who got a, hey, Twisted Soul. Is he in here?